In this episode, I'm going to show you 5 computer and iPad hacks you can use to boost your productivity coming up.
Rising to be. Rising to be productive. Rising to be organized. Rising to be inspired. Who are you rising to be? New podcast every Tuesday, new videos every Wednesday and Saturday.
Hello everyone, I'm Christina B Rising and welcome to the Rising to Be show, the only place on the internet where I help you rise to be who you want to be, helping you rise to be productive, organized, and inspired. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday on my channel. Check out my podcast every Tuesday and my Patreon for exclusive and early access content. There's 3 tiers to choose from at patreon.com/rising to be. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe so that you can become a riser. Stop being fake and click like. It's free, I promise. And click the bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Sometimes YouTube likes to hide my videos if you don't also click the like bell, so make sure you do that as well. For the month of February, Rising to Be will be having an I Love You sale. Use the code I Love You at checkout for 40% off your order. All month long. Stay tuned to find out how to enter the giveaway. So let's get into this episode. Are you tired of 2020 and want to start creating a better life in 2021? Then check out my goal setting workbook to help you create the life you want in 2021. Write the vision and make it plain. Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 2. Available now in my Etsy shop, Rising to Be. Save 20% off your order using code GOALS21. Keep rising to be who you want to be. Anyway, today's episode is going to be about 5 computer and iPad hacks you can use to boost your productivity. So I have a lot to share with you, so this will very likely be split into 2 separate videos, so let's start with the computer hacks first. Now without further ado, the first tip I have for you is Tip 1. Google a picture. You can do a reverse image search on an image to easily find things like clothing, furniture, and where specific pieces of technology came from. And of course, where to place your next order. Simply hold down the S key and right-click on your image that you have. Then use the drop-down menu on your screen and click on Search Google for Image. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them rise to be who they want to be. Tip 2. Keyboard shortcuts. So here's some keyboard shortcuts you can use to save time with your PC. Press your Windows button and C to activate Cortana on your computer. Press the Alt and Tab key to easily switch through different windows. Press Alt and F4 to close any window you have open. Press Ctrl Tab to easily switch between your internet browser and Excel tabs. Press Ctrl and Z to undo anything you may have done by accident. Press Ctrl and Q to quit your web browser. Press Ctrl and I to switch your text style into italics. You can also use these same functions on your Mac. Instead of using the Control key, you would use the Command key on your keyboard. Press Windows key and L to lock and safeguard your computer from others around you. Here's some keyboard shortcuts that you can use to boost your productivity on your Mac. Press Command Shift and 3 to make a screenshot of your entire computer screen. Press Command Shift and 4 to make a screenshot using your mouse to choose the exact area on your screen that you would want a photo of. Press Command Shift and 5 to make a screenshot of the entire screen or even do a screen recording. Press Command A to select everything on your screen. Press Command and F to open your Find window to help you search for any document, app, or photo on your computer. Press Command and M to minimize a tab into your dock. Press Command M and Option to easily minimize all of your windows into your dock. Tired of reading? Get Siri to do it. Press the Apple logo on the left side of your screen, click on System Preferences, type in the search box Speech. Click on Speech where you can change Siri's voice and speed. Press on the Change Key button and choose your exact keys that you want to use. I use Command and S for speaking. If you've made it this far into the episode, make sure that you've liked and subscribed to the show. Thanks so much. Now let's get into tip number 4. Tip 4. Block the blue light. Download the app f.lux to adjust your computer's brightness and even set up an auto adjuster. I'm sure you've heard by now that technology and electronics are bad for your eyes, but if you're required by your job to be on your computer all day, it's important to either cut on an app like f.lux or wear blue light glasses like mine. The ones I'm wearing right now are from Zenni, and these are like $15 frames with a blue light coating added on.
Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I just want to share the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day comes from
YouTube commenter Christina Romo. Great video. Love the advice. Blushing happy face emoji. Thanks so much for your comment, Christine Romo.
Want to be featured as the next comment of the day? Simply leave a comment on a YouTube video or leave a review on wherever you listen to podcasts. Now, back to the show.
Tip 5, rotate your screen. This trick can be used to shock others around you by simply pressing on the Control, Alt, and Up arrow key. It will swiftly rotate whatever is on your computer screen by 90 degrees and even 180 or 270 degrees, using keys like down or left and right. So try it out. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. I hope this episode was helpful to you. Let me know down below in the comments what computer and iPad hack you'll be using to boost your productivity. If you have an episode idea on what you would like to see next, let me know down below in the comments, or your podcast review. And don't forget to download my free monthly motivational wallpapers for your computer and phone. The monthly theme for the month of February is the month of welcoming love and opportunities, and you can get that for free once you join my Patreon down below. Now back to the episode. Remember, as we rise to be, we are becoming who we want to be. I am Christina B Rising, and I will always be rising. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday on my channel, so check out my podcast, Rising to Be, every Tuesday, and my Patreon for exclusive and early access content. There's 3 tiers to choose from at patreon.com/rising to be. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that more people like you can have access to content like this. And I'll see you in my next episode. Check out the upcoming playlist filled with content to help you keep rising to be who you want to be. Bye, risers. So here's how you can enter the February giveaways. I'm giving away a 2021 goal setting workbook every week for the entire month. So if you would like to enter, here's what you should do so that you can have a chance to win a workbook. Step 1, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment for why you need this workbook. 2, subscribe and review to the podcast. And lastly, follow me on Instagram and share the giveaway post and tag me on it so that I can see it. Duh. That's it, nothing else. Do you want even more Rising to Be in your life? Then join the Rising to Be Patreon. It helps you support the channel and other forms of content. There's 3 tiers to choose from,
starting as low as $4.
So here's a breakdown of Tier 1. You get access to the monthly wallpapers for your computer and phone to keep you motivated and inspired all month long. You get to choose 1 monthly video topic, and of course, you get a Patreon shout out in my next video. Tier 2 has access to monthly wallpapers. You get to choose 1 monthly video topic, early access to videos, and of course a Patreon shout out in my next video. Tier 3 has access to the monthly wallpapers. They get to choose 2 monthly video topics and 1 podcast topic. Early access to videos and podcasts, a Patreon shout out in my next video, and of course exclusive access to my printable collection from my Etsy store, Rising to Be. And it's only available through Patreon and Etsy, so this is something you really want to jump on. There are 3 tiers to choose from. I plan on adding even more as we go along. So I hope you'll consider joining the Patreon risers. Keep rising to be who you want to be.